Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Generative Adversarial Networks. GANs. AI's creative contests. Ever wondered if AI could not just understand but create brand new things? Like art, faces, or even music that never existed before. Today, we're diving into generative adversarial networks. Or GANs, a fascinating part of AI where two competing networks teach each other to be incredibly creative. Think of it as AI learning through a creative game or contest. In AI, we often hear about models that recognize things, like identifying a cat in a picture or understanding spoken words. But generative AI is different. It's about creating something new. Imagine an AI that doesn't just know what a cat looks like, but can actually draw a brand new cat that's never been seen before. From a developer's perspective, this means building systems that output novel data, rather than just classifying or predicting based on existing data. The adversarial part is the secret sauce. Instead of one AI working alone, GANs involve two AI models locked in a friendly, but competitive, battle. Think of it like this. One AI is trying to create the most convincing fake art, and the other AI is trying its absolute best to spot those fakes. They learn from each other's attempts and failures, constantly pushing each other to get better. As a developer, you're setting up this clever training dynamic. This is our first AI player. Its job is to generate new data, let's say, realistic-looking images of faces. Even though it's never seen these specific faces before, it starts by making pretty bad fakes, almost like a beginner artist scribbling. Its goal is to get so good that its creations are indistinguishable from real data. For a developer, this is a neural network designed to take random noise as input and transform it into structured, realistic output. This is our second AI player, and its role is crucial. The discriminator is a detective whose job is to look at an image and decide, is this a real image from our training dataset, or is it a fake created by the generator? It's like an art expert trying to tell genuine masterpieces from incredibly good forgeries. As a developer, you'd implement this as a binary classifier, a neural network that outputs real or fake for any given input. Here's where the magic happens. The generator creates a fake image and sends it to the discriminator. The discriminator looks at it, along with some real images, and tries to guess which are fake and which are real. If the discriminator correctly identifies the fake, it gets better at spotting fakes, and the generator learns it needs to create even more convincing fakes. If the discriminator is fooled, the generator gets a W and learns its creative approach was good. This continuous back and forth, this adversarial training, makes both models incredibly skilled over time. As a developer, you manage this iterative training loop. So, what can these creative contests achieve? From hyper-realistic faces, like this person does not exist, and style transfer, turning photos into paintings, to data augmentation, creating more training data for other AI models, and even image-to-image translation, sketch to photo, day to night. For a developer, this means unlocking new possibilities for generating content, creating synthetic datasets, and enhancing existing media with AI creativity. As a developer, understanding GANs means you can either use existing, pre-trained GAN models, like using a library, to generate specific types of content, or you can dive deeper to train your own custom GANs. This might involve collecting a specific dataset, configuring the generator and discriminator networks, and managing the training process. The tools and frameworks, like TensorFlow or PyTorch, provide the building blocks to implement these complex creative AI systems. allowing you to harness their power for your own innovative projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.